Number one, get yourself to reflect and be mindful of your own blessings which you already have. Allah says in the Quran, وَلَا تَتَمَنَّوْا مَا فَضَّلَ اللَّهُ بِهِ بَعْضَكُمْ عَلَى بَعْضٍ لِلرِّجَالِ نَصِيبٌ مِّمَّا اكْتَسَبُوا وَلِلنِّسَاءِ نَصِيبٌ مِّمَّا اكْتَسَبْنَ. Surah 4 verse 32, Allah says, do not covet, meaning don't be spitefully envious, over what Allah has conferred more abundantly on some of you than others. What He has given some of you more than others. Then He goes on by saying about the two genders, subhanahu wa ta'ala. Men shall have a share according to what they have earned, and women shall have a share according to what they have earned.